Hello and welcome back to CIT Tech Tips. My name is Alec, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install OBS, or specifically just any application in general. So if you have a web download or something like OBS which can be downloaded off the web, all you're going to need to do is to open up your search browser. I'm using Brave. You can go into your Google search engine, and all you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to type in the name of whatever you're downloading. So I'm using OBS Studio right now, but I was showing you how to. So as you can see, I just type in OBS Studio, and the first thing that pops up is OBS Studio. Now, if you wanted to do something like Bandicam, you could also do Bandicam. If you wanted to do something like Adobe software, if you have Adobe, you could go on Adobe and get into all your software systems with things like that. But I just recommend that we're using OBS because this is just the example for how to download anything off the web. So you're going to go into OBS Studio. You're going to be at this start screen, and at this start screen you're going to see all three of these: Windows, Mac, and Linux. These are going to be the three operating systems that you have. If you have a Mac, obviously you're going to be using the Mac OS one. If you have a Linux, you're going to be using the Linux one, and if you have a Windows, you're going to be using Windows. And since we have Windows, after choosing which one you're going to be using, go on to Windows. You're going to be brought up to one of your save as screens, and this is going to ask you where you wanted to download it. Now, not specifically for OBS or anything like that, but anything you're downloading off the web that has an installer that you're going to be downloading, I recommend you just put it in your downloads folder, since it's going to be a lot easier for you to manage, and it's going to be easy to do. So you're just going to want to click save. I already have it downloaded, so that's why it's asking me this, but once you click save, it's going to close the tab. Now in the top right corner, it's going to tell you that it's downloading. Once it's done downloading, you're going to want to click on it, and after you click on it, OBS will bring you over to this screen. Welcome to OBS 29.1.3 or whatever version is running at the time. Setup. You're going to want to click next. And obviously, because since I'm running it, it's going to be telling me all of this. But you're going to go through the setup process. It's going to ask you where you want to install the files for OBS to run. You can pick wherever you want to put that. Normally, it's going to be set to your C drive. I just say go with the default location that's going to be giving it to you. And after that, you're going to want to click continue, and it's going to start downloading. And once it's done downloading, you're going to be asked to finish it. You're going to want to click finish. The tab is going to close, and now in front of you will be OBS. So now you can see how we've downloaded OBS, and in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to keep it updated and install new drivers. Thank you so much for watching. This has been CIT Tech Tips. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and have a good day.